everyone, Len and Roxanne here, and today we are just driving around looking for some fun things to do. We are in Central America, a few hours
Central Mexico.
Central Mexico, a few hours north of Mexico City, and we found a few things that we're gonna explore today as we make our way towards a fun thing we have planned for tomorrow, so you have to watch for tomorrow. So we thought we'd take you along and see what you guys think of our day.
Take the exit on the right.
Hey everybody, we just pulled into the spot that we were aiming for today. It's called Cascada de la Concepcion. It is a kind of a gorge, or I guess a gorge would be the best description, of volcanic rock that's formed here, and it looks like there might also be a river or a creek close to it. And we just pulled into the parking lot and parked our vehicle, and it's kind of interesting. Came up right in the parking lot. There's a we're welcomed by our new friend and a couple senior citizen ladies that were selling food and different things. This is our parking lot. We're kind of the only people here today, as far as I can tell. And Roxanne's already making her way down towards the gorge there. So here we have, I believe, a little map of the Cascada de la Concepcion. I believe Cascada probably is waterfall or rapids, which you can see appears to be up on the top right there. So I'm going to try to catch up to Roxanne. We're coming across, as you can see, a total rock structure. This is really, really nice. I've got to focus on my feet and filming at the same time. Hoping this shows up nicely. I should have been ahead with Roxanne, because I know she does not like heights. So we do have a river down there. I didn't get it in the video, but there is water falling down from a spot back there, a little beyond the red roof on the building there. So I'm just gonna make my way towards Roxanne. She's assumably further ahead here. Okay, so we come up. You can see in the far distance there is the Cascades. Try to zoom on there. So it's Cascade Waterfall, and then down. I'm not going too close to the edge, but you can see down there a river and the gorge. I'm going to zoom out a bit. Beautiful. There's probably abundant wildlife down there. Coming through the trees here. I'm literally in the center of where the gorge does kind of a U-turn. Comes around like this and then wraps around us in front. I think Roxanne's at the far end of this here. Up I go. Don't wanna, there's a view of the opposite side there. Beautiful. And looking back the other way, and here we've come to the end of the road where the gorge does a big U-turn. And I finally caught up to Roxanne.
Found me. I made it to the end. This is it. It's so peaceful sitting here.
Pardon me?
It's so peaceful.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful and calm. Maybe there's a way to get down to the base of it.
And there's a view of the opposite side there. All those columns of rock that so this was definitely a worthwhile stop. It's on Google Maps and pinned very well, listed as Cascada de la Concepcion. Here we are helping a very clearly hungry and thirsty puppy. She has drank probably half a liter of water so far.
You can have more. Yeah, that's better than the bread.
Tastier. Sweet. Are you here all alone?
Where's your babies? Huh? Where's your babies? Huh? Where's your babies? You have to go home and feed them now. Oh,
Maybe she'll drink a little more.
maybe.
Need more water, hey? Her tongue can't get to the bottom.
If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you know when we put out our next video. Thanks for watching.